So we are at the doctor's office. Kharis is a bit upset. She just started crying as we were coming into the doctor's office. Well, back to the patient area or whatever. I'm trying to calm her down. You all right? Mm-hmm. So she's getting her ENT checkup today with her doctor, Dr. Brand. He's amazing. I really like him. And Kharis is a pediatrician. And I didn't know this until like later. Her pediatrician is married to her ENT doctor. I thought that was a pretty good fun fact. So I thought it was cool that they could discuss cases and stuff at home. Pillow talk. But yeah, we're here. She's gonna get checked up. Are you gonna let him do what he needs to do? Oh, poor thing. I don't know. And then after this, at 2:30, we have she has her audiological appointment to test her hearing and all that stuff, because it hasn't been done since she got the tubes and stuff put in. So, it's about 2.5 years. So I'm gonna test that and everything. So pretty rough point of the day right now, but it's gonna be okay. She gonna work it out. We're gonna work it out together. Yeah. You say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Well, that was a whirlwind of emotions. Kharis has never acted like that in a doctor's appointment before, so this is new. She wouldn't let her doctor look at her ears. Very, very, very upset. Very, 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 just don't touch me. Don't touch me. Even when he walked in, she just started. I calmed her down because the other doctor walked out. After the other doctor walked out, I calmed her down and I gave her my phone so she could just chill out for a little bit. And she was content with that. But then shortly after her calming down, her doctor walked in. And I guess the resident had, gave him some warning that, Kharis wasn't being as cooperative as other times. And so he came in very, very quietly, very, very gentle-like. And I appreciate that about him. And, we discussed a few things for a minute. And then it was time for him to look at her ears. Yeah. Went in the first go around and she wasn't having it. She was not having it. And then it just became a matter of holding her down so he could look at her ears. And when I say Kharis was on the floor, Kharis was on the floor. But that was before he got to get a good look at her ears. And then that was at one ear. The second ear, she just stood there in my arms. She stood, and then she just allowed him to look in, which was good. So now that that's over with, he said everything looked good. Kharis has had tubes in her ear. One of them is gone, but the other one is still there. And he said that nothing looks obstructed, so her audiology test should go fairly well today. They should get clear results, and that's what I'm hoping for. So I can give them the results, so the results can go to her primary pediatrician, her ENT, and then also I can take them to her school for her SPED folder and stuff, her IEP and everything. So that is how that is gonna go. And I forgot I have a meeting with her SPED teacher, and I forgot completely all about that. So, but honestly, there was no real time given, so I may not have a meeting. I don't know. But anyway, her audiological, why do I keep saying audiological? Her audiology test is not until 2:30 today. It is 10:58. So we need to find something to do between now and then. I was thinking about just going back to work, or going to work and just chilling out until that time. But I don't really want to do that. So I need to figure out what we're gonna do for the next 3.5 hours. So yeah, but I will return when we get to her audiology appointment. Yeah, she's back there eating a snack now. Kharis, she say hi. Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. You feel better now?
Hi.
You feel better? Yes or no? You feel better? Sometimes she answers, sometimes she doesn't. But she can hear me clearly. And this is part of part of her autism, communication wise, just not holding conversations and not being as social as a four-year-old would be. So that's part of the autism diagnosis that she has. It's more so social and communicative, not mental and educational, or whatever that is. I forget. I'm still learning. Still learning. I'm coming out. So yeah, that's where we are, and I can't really go because this thing is right there. You're gonna have to move because I can't get out. I'm gonna end up hitting this car. And we're not having that. And try not to hit the stroller and these people. So yeah, let me focus real quick. All right, now we're good to go. There's a lot of cars up in here, but yeah, that's pretty much what her autism is based on. At first they were like, it could just be speech impairment. Oh my God, there's so much happening right now with these in this parking garage. But no, the speech pathologist at her school was saying that, you know, it could be just speech impairment versus just autism or whatever. And so they were doing certain tests and stuff on Kharis, like evaluations, that would determine if it was autism or just speech impairment. And so yeah, her interactions in school and communication in school, and how she was becoming, what is going on? Go! How she was, forgive me, y'all. I don't have good road rage. I mean, I don't have good road skills. So, yeah. But, how she was in school and stuff and all of that, they based all of that on her just having autism with communication and social skills and all that stuff like that. So I think I just said that like 5 times. But either way, you know. Yeah. So that's where we are, and just working with her to make her the best human as we possibly can. Pretty much. Letting her know that this person can't drive. What are you doing? I'm sorry, y'all. I don't understand what this person is doing. Are you trying to leave? You were trying to leave and you could not drive. You couldn't back out. It took you that long to back out, and you were nowhere near other vehicles. Anyway, back to Kharis. Sorry. Back to Kharis. Wow. I forgot what I was saying. I really did. Forgot what I was saying that quick. I was just stunned at this person driving. Anyway, this is a vlog of real life. Life with me, life with Kharis, life with both of us. So this is this is what you get. Random outburst, random road rage in a parking garage. But yeah, these people act like they don't know how to drive though. But it's all right. It's all right. We getting where we need to go. It ain't like I ain't got time. But at the same time, I just don't want to be sitting here in the parking garage. So, yeah. Anywho, we are probably going to get something to eat right now. I'm hungry. She's hungry. And yeah, we need to get some sustenance in our bodies so we can move forward throughout the day. You hear those crunches? Yeah. Makes me more hungry. So yeah, we're gonna go out and get something to eat. Maybe do something that's not money based. Because I'm not trying to spend no money today. Not a lot anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna get my validation ticket out. There's so many people up in here today. Great day. Why? I don't like the appointments like this. I need to pick an earlier appointment. Usually it is not that crowded when I come up in through here. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go and then see y'all at the next destination. Say bye-bye, Kharis. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say hi. Say hi. Come on. Come on. Bear. Go down this way. Right here. Watch your step. Come on. Down, yeah. Down the stairs. 1. Mm-hmm. What? Oh, okay. That works too.
1.
2.
2. 3. 4.
5. Good job. Now come down the steps. 2.
2.
Come on.
2.
Stand up.
No.
Come down here, where my hand is. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. You gotta think about it. Step down.
Oh no.
So where you gonna go? You gonna stay there forever?
Sure.
1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3,
Jump.
jump. Hold on. There you go.
Jump.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, jump. Or step. That's good. Good. Next step. Good. Where you going? All right. Oh, you wanted to jump. All right, come on. Yay! Yay! Ah, don't put your mouth on that. What is it? It's a horn. I guess I don't really know what to do with it. Go, 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 go. Having a good time at the park. Then she goes, ride, ride. And then I tell her no, because it's not our bike. And then she has a fit, a little meltdown. Kharis, that's not our bike, okay? Come on. You can't ride it. It's not ours. Only you can ride your bike when you get home, okay? Come on. Right, see? That's not our bike, boo. Come on.
No. No.
That's not our bike.
No.
No. Let's go back to the park for a little bit more time. That was all I needed to say? Oh, okay, cool. All right. Hi. 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 All right, so after we went to Kharis' appointment this morning, we went to lunch. We went to Wood Grill, and we ate pretty good. She has pizza, and she had 2 cookies. That's what she wanted. That's what she got. And then after leaving there, we went to the park. And then after leaving the park, we came to her second appointment. We were just sitting in the parking lot because her appointment starts at 2:30, and it's only like 1:15, 10 minutes to 2 now. So we just chilling. I am hoping this appointment will go much better than the first one. I know somebody told me that, you know, sometimes to test the hearing, they'll have like the kids in the like just in the room, and they'll be playing and stuff, and then there'll be certain sounds and stuff that'll be made in the surround sound of the room, and if they hear it, they'll turn their head to where the sound is, and that's how they make those tests, those evaluations. So I'm not exactly sure what to expect in this testing, in this evaluation. So, I'm just looking for the result to be she can hear well. She has good hearing. She can hear everything that went on and everything that took place and all of that. So that's what my hope is. Yeah. We'll see how it goes, though. Yeah. Carrie, you want to say something? Kharis, you don't want to say anything? You say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, y'all. I'm tired. That food done got me. It gave me the itis, show. I might just take a little nap for real. While we waiting. So, yeah. We'll see y'all in the next portion of Kharis's awesome journey. Peace. We're waiting to go into the place. You waiting? Say waiting.
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 So we're in the room where they're gonna do the hearing test. Kharis is not having it. She saw the doctor and she just keeps reaching for my hand because I'm behind her. So she's been crying. You can tell in her eyes. They wanted to put something inside of her ears and she just started bawling. So she knows what's going on, but she's just not having it. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Doggy, can you point to the doggy? Where's the doggy?
What?
Well, is that a dog? It might be a dog.
Dog.
Where's the bunny?
Bunny.
Yeah, that's the bunny.
None.
Nah,
No.
but I think that's a bear.
There.
Yeah. Where's the dog? Dog? Yeah, that's the dog. High five. Yeah, high five. It's okay. I love you. I love you. Let me tell y'all about my daughter, my child love friend, Kharis. Okay? So, inside the audiology appointment, you know, at first she was having some issues because she didn't want to do what the audiologist was telling her to do. Where'd I park at? She didn't want to do what the audiologist told. Oh, I'm over way back there. Told her to do, or come on, things like that. Like she wasn't focused. But it was one task that they gave her, and it was her putting on earphones or headphones, and she had to put these little pegs inside of a bowl every time she heard a sound. She rocked it. Rocked it, okay?
Rocked it.
Yes, you rocked it. Come on. You rocked it. Yes, ma'am. Say, I rocked it. Say, I rocked it.
I rocked it.
You rocked it. She rocked it. And then, when she did that, after they wanted to get a read of her eardrum to see if it was like moving and stuff like that. She rocked the fuck out of that. Okay, when I tell you, my child did that jump by herself. She took the thing out of the audiologist's hand, put it inside her ear, and just did it. Both ears. Okay, and they got awesome readings. They were like, you trying to take my job, huh? Amazing readings. My child is awesome. Okay, she's awesome. Say, I'm awesome. I'm awesome. You ain't gonna say it? Say, I'm awesome. Awesome. I'm awesome. No. My child is awesome. My child is awesome.